Rix Top Six. Party time. Stop the music. We're being hijacked today. We're gonna have Nikki do the top six. So today's words are gonna be
Rix Top Six.
Party time. Excellent. Okay, Nikki, since you are hijacking the channel today, what is your top six topic for today?
The top 6 best photo spots.
Well, you are a better expert at that than me. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So as we're doing a video on the best photo spots, we have a family here asked Nikki to take a photo. She's always willing to do that, and they're actually using one of our spots right here at the arches. So the first of these three is going to be right here at the front of the arches. We just met a family, asked Nikki to take a photo here. They're way ahead of the game. They already know what to do, but this is one of the most popular spots.
Definitely an iconic spot.
So that's the arches. Now let's move over and give you a direct shot of the globe. So right here on the bridge, right by the railing, this is a very popular spot to take your photo of the globe. Nikki's gonna take one of me right now. Okay guys, so we showed you a picture with just the arch, a picture with just the globe. We're gonna come down here, sort of by the boat ramp, and try to get a shot that shows both in one shot. So that was item number 6 on today's countdown. 3 shots before you even get into the park.
Yep.
First off, I need to apologize for the subject matter. Nikki, you'd be much better, a much prettier picture if you were in it.
Nah, I'm always behind the camera.
But you're the photographer, what can we say? Any tips as far as taking pictures here, Nikki?
Yeah, just wait a few seconds for that universal globe to have the name across it, and yeah, I think that's a really good shot. I was trying to time it with the boat too, but the boat was like motoring past.
That's too many elements.
It was.
That's too many elements.
The spinning of the globe and trying to get Rix at and the boat going by. But
yeah, if you're here doing it, just pause for a minute, let that globe spin just for the perfect picture.
Yeah, and the lighting is really good too, first thing in the morning, because it's just shining right on everything, so it's just totally illuminated.
Right.
And the spot where we showed you too, actually the sun has just kind of broken that area, so at least this time of year in October, it's a great spot.
Right, and the bridge is a little more crowded first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
It's a little easier around noon, but you don't want to wait too long, because if you wait too long in the afternoon, then the sun's going to be behind the globe and you're going to be backlit and the picture won't be as good. Right.
Lighting is everything.
Yep. So, with item number 6 out the way, Nikki, let's move into the park for the rest of the countdown. Into Springfield for item number 5 on today's countdown. Nikki, what is it going to be?
Lard Lad's Donut Boy.
So you're going to line me up, tell me where to stand and everything?
I sure will.
Do I make a good subject?
You're very cute.
Okay, let's go ahead and get this photo.
You're willing at least, right?
Hey, and
that's half the battle, is getting a willing subject.
Well, the good thing is, as we were walking down like Hollywood Boulevard, the band, the NBC, is it NBC or the Universal Brass Band? They were playing the Simpsons theme song, so let's put that soundtrack over these photos you're about to take of me.
Sounds good.
What a great day. What are you doing down there, Nikki?
Getting a good angle.
Okay, Nikki, do you think you got some good shots of me?
I think so.
Any advice?
Yes, I kind of like the low angle looking up, just because, you know, Lard Lad's looking up, and then you kind of want to get the whole thing. So, I don't know, it's just like a cool shot, kind of at a different angle.
Well, that's why you were sitting in the middle of the road on the floor there?
Yeah, thank goodness it wasn't crowded yet this morning.
Yeah, right. So, making our way out of Springfield, on our way to item number 4 on today's countdown. Now, this is a pretty good spot, this wall, especially like for Instagram, right, Nikki?
Yes, definitely.
And that little wall there is just around the corner from the Quickie Mart. So what do we have here, Nikki? Another Instagram spot in Springfield?
Yes.
And this is right by like Moe's Tavern, right?
Yes.
Okay guys, we got a little sidetracked with all the Instagram spots in Springfield, but we're heading to item number 4 right now. Where's it at, Nikki?
Diagon Alley.
Woo, let's get there. All right, we've made it into Diagon Alley for item number 4 in the countdown. The good news is for me, I'm not even needed for this photo.
Nope, don't need you in this one. This one's pretty iconic.
Yeah, and very popular. This is no surprise, this item number 4. Everyone comes into Diagon Alley and gets a photo of that dragon breathing his fire.
Exactly. So hopefully we'll get a good shot today. And honestly, you know how big of a Harry Potter fan I am.
Yeah.
I'm huge. Honestly, it was hard for me not to pick my top 6 strictly in here. So I tried to be as liberal as I could throughout the whole park. But yeah, these are definitely my favorites.
Right. Oh, and a tip for this dragon, it usually goes off, what, about every 15 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
So you might have to be patient, just wait a little bit, and once you see the crowds really start gathering with their iPhones up in the air, you know it's time for the photo. Okay, Nikki, what are we counting down today?
Nick's top 6 best photo spots at Universal Studios.
And what number are we on right now?
Number 3. Actually, let me do the German 3. Number 3.
So here comes the doc. He was held up in the space-time continuum for a bit, but he's made it now. Oh, he's watching me.
He is. He's watching you.
So what is number 3, Nikki, actually?
Number 3 would be take a picture with your favorite character. Now for me, I really wanted Doc because of the DeLorean and then the train. So it's not just him, it's the whole, you know, scene, the whole set.
So it's not just Doc, that's your favorite. Anyone should pick their favorite character, whoever it is. I happen to like, you know, the beautiful Marilyn Monroe or the cutie patootie Betty Boop, but you choose your favorite character. Could be the Simpsons.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Your favorite character.
Okay guys, into King Cross Station and through the wall for item number 2 on today's countdown. Okay, Nixter, tell me about this spot inside King Cross Station for a good photo.
Well, I actually like this picture with the train because of the skylighting in there. So the lighting is really, really nice.
Which
and
is very
soft.
important for a photo.
Exactly. And then you've got the train with the steam coming out and everything like that. And then you're not necessarily fighting a crowd, although today it was a little crowded, it was a little tricky, but we just stayed off into the corner and we let people pass us by really fast, and as soon as the train came in, we took the shot. So I kind of like that one in particular just because of, again, the features, not just the train, but the features around it.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, and it all depends on when you're going to do this photo as far as how challenging it can be with crowds.
Right.
Well, I'm very excited now that we've done number 2, Nikki. You know why?
Why?
That means we're heading to number 1 on today's countdown. So item number 1 on today's countdown, you have to get a picture with Bruce the Shark over here in San Francisco.
That's a definite.
This will make your trip to Universal. I mean, the attraction is gone, but the shark is here. Love it. My favorite movie, one of my favorite attractions, and my number 1, actually Nikki's.
My number 1, the iconic Jaws shark.
So Nikki, for the number 1 spot, you have a few little tricks up your sleeve, even though you're wearing a tank top. You still got some tricks up your sleeve. Tell us about them.
All right, so I like different angles. I like funky angles, and so I have a tendency to want to shoot up. So I was laying on the ground for the first one, and then, you know, I mean, just be creative with it. I've seen some really, really funny ones. So here's just a couple, you know, quick little shots for you guys to get inspiration from.
So like grab a basic shot and then play around, have some fun.
Exactly.
Very cool. I like your number 1, Nikki. So there you go. That's our list. Well, actually, that's Nikki's list. Let us know what you think of Nick's top 6 photo spots at Universal Studios. Personally, Like, I would have added Hagrid's motorcycle in there, Nikki. If it was Rix Top 6, the motorcycle would have been on here.
Well, there's so many iconic spots, anything will do.
And with that being said,
Hello, my name is Sophia and I'm from Thomasville, Georgia. Don't miss the magic and don't miss the fun.
thanks for watching Rix Flicks, and now it's time to relax. Or is it?
Nick's Top 6. Ah. Nick's Studio.
And what number are we on? Okay, Nick, what are we counting down today?
Nick's bet.
Alright, wait for the
Oh God, man, we need to put this in a blooper reel. Good Lord. Nick's Top 6 best photos. You can put it all together.
No.
People are waiting.
No. Okay, Nikki.